15 and 16. Now, event number 1, 100 meter freestyle, boys under 14. Introduction of the swimmers. In lane number 1, V. Leonard of Tamil Nadu. In lane number 2, Abudut Sunil Purlekar of Maharashtra. In lane number 3, Anbipal of West Bengal. In lane number 4, Prasiddha Krishna PA of Karnataka. Lane number 5, Saif Chandan KS of Karnataka. Lane number 6, S. Ruthik Sri Naga Reddy of Telangana. Lane number 7, Arman Teharja of Haryana. Lane number 8, Om Jai Singh Sot of Maharashtra. Over to referee.
4.5, 4, 5, 5.5, and 5.5.
Take your mark.
Arya Sharma, head number 3, 326. Five, 4, 4.5, 4, and 4.5.
Hey, President!